If your condenser unit compressor shorted internally, it means your air conditioner's heart just stopped working and you gotta replace that compressor fast to get cool again. So, first, turn off the power to your unit because messing with electrical parts can be super dangerous. Next, get a professional technician to confirm the diagnosis, since compressors are tricky and expensive, so you don't want to waste cash on the wrong fix. When you're choosing a new compressor, make sure it matches your unit's specs exactly, like voltage, capacity, and refrigerant type, because mismatches cause bigger headaches later. Also, be ready for the cost, since replacing a compressor can run anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000, depending on your system. If your unit is older than 10 years, it might be smarter to consider a full replacement rather than sinking money into a new compressor. Remember to check if your warranty covers compressor failure. Sometimes it does, and that saves you a bundle. After replacement, ask the technician to test the whole system for leaks or other damages because those can cause the compressor to fail again. Lastly, keep up with regular maintenance to avoid this problem in the future. Clean coils, check refrigerant levels, and inspect electrical connections. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with a condenser unit compressor shorted internally is trying to fix it themselves without proper knowledge or tools, which can cause more damage or even injury. Always call a pro instead. Another common issue is ignoring early warning signs like strange noises or the unit not cooling well, which can lead to costly compressor failure down the line, so don't put off those weird sounds. Finally, using the wrong type of refrigerant or an incompatible compressor replacement can mess up your system's efficiency and lifespan. Double-check all specifications before buying parts and let the technician handle installation. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great place to find new clients and grow your business with real projects near you.